Hey stars, thanks for joining me. So we're going to be finishing up this set using the Macart all-in-one, this beautiful blue that you've seen me do. I think I've done this similar set like 3 times this summer so far because I absolutely love it. This is the Macart all-in-one acrylic, dip, sugar, powder. It's so beautiful. That's Morovan's Monomer. We're also using these really beautiful glitters from Morovan, and you see like combined with the Macart acrylic how gorgeous that looks. Like literally looks like the sea. It's so pretty. I'm also going to be using just a clear acrylic at the end because we are doing these from the underside of a full cover tip, and so I just want to cap those with a clear acrylic after. So let's go in and start getting our nail prepped for this, the last of this set. We're just going to buff gently and then push back the cuticles. We're going to wipe with a dehydrator or rubbing alcohol. That's what I use. You should really use a lint-free wipe though, just in case you don't want to get any like snags, like if your nails have any edges or anything. And then we're going to go in with my favorite bond. This is the Young Nails Protein Bond. It's really what just adheres the nails forever for me. I can go like 3 weeks with nails with no issues whatsoever. I'm going to be using these 3XL full cover tips from Shein, and I'm going to etch the inside. I'm using the Macart e-file there. So any products that you see me use here today or brands that you see, I will have them all linked in the description if you're interested. So we're going to be grabbing a bead and putting that on the underside of the full cover tip, and we're applying acrylic because this really will ensure long-lasting nails. So these kind of act like a press-on actually, and you can get a really long wear out of applying them like this, and it's so easy because we eliminate the need to file forever, filing and making sure that we have like the apex right and all that. So I really love doing this method, especially because I switch my nails out so often, but I really do want them to stay on and be durable because I do a lot of manual labor. So acrylic is my favorite way. I used it for years. I was doing this with polygel, and I just love working with acrylic better, but you don't have to really know how to use acrylics in terms of like the ratio between monomer and acrylic. Now, I mean, you don't want it too runny, obviously, because then it's not gonna adhere to your nail, and you don't want it too thick, and obviously because if it dries like that, it's gonna look really thick and awful. But I'm just saying, like, applying it this way really is so much easier, and you don't have to be a professional. So I'm just kind of just doing like a freestyle, just grabbing some of the Macart acrylic and adding that, then adding these beautiful glitters from Morovan, and I'll show you guys in a different video. This set, glitter set, had like, I want to say like maybe 10 glitters, and they are so pretty. I've been using them all summer. So look I mean, we're pretty much done, and now like the fun part too is being able to add charms or embellishments or whatever at the end. So you don't have to, but with this set I really wanted to really get them super eye-catching. So aside from the mermaid charm that you saw, which I got from Amazon, I'm going to be using little gold charms and stuff from Shein. So here I am. I'm just going to go and cap the underside with some clear acrylic. You don't have to do that. I just like to do that because they're glitter. This is a glitter set, incorporated glitter set, so sometimes the glitters will flake off. So if you just cap them with an acrylic, a clear acrylic, then you'll be fine. And then I'm literally just buffing. I mean, I didn't even have to file anything. This was perfect. Nothing came out of the sides. I'm just buffing the area where I'm going to be applying the glue. So you saw there I kind of did like a diagonal because I'm going to be applying the charms in like a diagonal form. So I'm just going to wipe off the excess dust. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite glue, which is Model 1s, you'll see. And those are the glitters that I'm going to be using from Shein. They're like a beachy theme. Very pretty. I did a little haul where I think I showed you guys those charms. So I'm just going to let you see what I'm doing here. There's really no rhyme or reason. I just kind of applied things as I went. But again, this is my favorite glue. It doesn't ever get the tube messy, and it comes out really nicely. So we're just going to add some charms, and then I will be back. Alright guys, so we are all set. Now I'm just going to go over the charms themselves with a top coat, and I'm not doing the whole nail because I just don't need to. There's nothing on top of this nail. This is a full cover tip, so it really doesn't need a top coat, but I am going to top coat these just in case any of them are painted and you don't want the paint to chip off. I'm going to cure them for 1 minute and then that's it. And here's the final look, you guys. I love this set. I am absolutely loving these acrylics together. I think they're so pretty. I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. If you're interested in any of the products I used today, I will link them in the description, and enjoy your summer.